It's been a blue.
There we are doing this. Yeah. Shut up, Alvin.
Yeah, it's from my church. Congratulations to the newlyweds.
Oh, where are the rings?
You only paid 20.
Hey, that's a rip-off. You're a rip-off. Sir, where's a ring?
No rings.
Why?
Oh my god, that's Divinas!
They buy rings.
That's Divinas!
Oh, then we have to return.
Why, sir?
Alden. Ayaw, please!
For the wedding.
Hey, Pope! Pope rings! Hey, Pope! Pope Alden! Wala siyang Pope Alden!
Ano ba?
Alden, we're begging you, please give us $5, man. Please give us
Yes.
Oh, you have the ring.
Yes, sir, I bought it.
Did they pay for them?
We paid for it. How much?
I'm donating this one.
That's 10 pesos.
It's 10 pesos.
Wait.
Each?
No.
Such a rip-off.
Oh, fine. It's a
Alam
rip-off.
ko, five.
It's 10.
Can you stop na yun,
This is for multiply.
Oh, it is 10 pesos.
Oh, God.
Wala kang amoy.
Actually, we only got the thin ones. The thick ones are 15.
He's getting married. How much?
20 pesos.
Hey, I didn't get mad.
10 pesos.
Che!
Alright,
Che! Ginagalit mo eh.
that's what I'm trying to do.
20 lang.
I didn't get mad.
What?
Sir, he was...
Okay.
Just so that you can have some margin.
Alden, get mad! Get mad!
Eto. Kasi nawala ko. Go!
How much is this?
Oh my god. Alden has yayas.
Yeah, I bought the
You know,
rings
yeah,
for
yeah.
you.
Thank you.
Now,
Give me a surprise.
yeah, now give me a Isabel, then yeah.
Jimmy! Jimmy!
Oh yeah, stop. I'll stop. Promise. I'll go
That's
now.
the person wearing a white jacket and a black shirt.
I'll go now.
Go.
I'll go now.